class, I would like to talk about the Research Worksheet 1, which can be found, again, in Content in our class, Information for Paper 2. If you scroll down, you will see Research Worksheet 1. Right, so this is what it looks like. And I just kind of want to briefly talk about each number. So for number 1, you're going to do a Google Advanced search for keywords, key terms, okay? And you want to try using different combinations each time. I ask you to do it 3 times. For number 2, you want to find or list, how many sources you found through your Google Advanced search that have a domain of .edu, .gov, or .org. And I want you to list those there. I do say you need to find at least 2, and that you need to write down the complete addresses of these sites. Now, if you have this document open and you are, looking up stuff online, you just need to copy and paste. Number 3, you need to look for possible books you might use. So you want to go to the Rhone State Library, and you want to follow these directions, okay? Because I've given you really explicit directions for how to actually do a search for books, okay? And then you will record that information there for 2 books that you found. Again, if it's an electronic book, it'll tell you that it's an ebook, and you can also write that there. But if it's in the library as a physical book, it'll give you the call number. Now, I just want to remind you that this semester you cannot get physical books from the library, so you're much better off choosing ebooks for number 3. Number 4, then you move on to finding newspaper articles. And if you follow my instructions here, you'll be able to find newspaper articles that deal with your topic. Scroll back up. Okay. Number 5, you're going to do a search in databases. Okay, in particular the academic one-file database. Okay, and I again give you really detailed directions for how to find that information. Now, when you go in there and you do the subject guide search in academic one-file, you'll see that you will get a menu that has a little plus sign next to it, and you click on that, and it'll give you all these different subdivisions that you can choose from. So as an example, I did look up vampires, okay? And when I looked up the subject area vampires, I chose 2 different subdivisions there. One was influence and the other was social aspects. So here I've listed, okay, toward the top of the screen you'll see it tells you have 1 magazine under influence, 1 magazine source, and 5 news sources from that. And then when I went to social aspects, it tells me I have 4 academic journal sources, 1 magazine source, and 3 news sources. And I'll want you to tell me the subdivisions that you chose and then how many sources it gives you in each category. And then number 6, you want to click on that first subdivision topic and find a source within there that you think might be beneficial for you for your topic. And then you'll just record information about that source here, like the author, the title of the article, and the publication.